This is the Big O Show. This is the Big O Show.
TVD is in the house. Tyler, how are you doing, sir? You ready? Wait a minute. There we go now. How you doing?
Doing well. How about yourself?
I am doing great, my man. They're ready for you to not just fire the ball, but also sign with that golden arm of yours. You all right with that?
Yes, sir.
You good?
Yes,
You're
sir.
good? How,
Yeah.
you enjoy hanging out with the fans?
Yeah, I really enjoy it. I mean, I appreciate everyone that comes out and supports me, supports the team. Can't thank them enough. We're the best fans in the world.
You know, I got to commend you because one of the things that you proved is you can back up your moxie. And where did that swag come from? Where did you get that confidence? Do you remember that moment when you were young where that came from? Because that had to come at one moment there where you just knew you believed in yourself.
I mean, yeah, I think I've always believed in myself. I mean, at times, once you're playing quarterback, you kind of get a little frustrated if things aren't going your way. But I think in that second half of the North Carolina game, I really got that confidence. And what I said about the NC State team, I think that confidence with North Carolina game helped me gain confidence the rest of the way. And it ended up working, and can't wait for next year for the same things.
Did you notice the difference when it came to your teammates and how your emotions lifted them too, your confidence lifted them, because that's something that we could see on the field and on television.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, my teammates lifted me up. I helped them. I mean, there's a bunch of guys who helped me gain that leadership throughout the season. You know, I can't thank them enough. I mean, Derek helped me a lot. Cam Harris really helped me take that leadership role. You know, get into that position. You know, so yeah, I mean, my teammates really can't thank them enough for getting me in this position where I am today, and you know, we're really excited for next season.
Yeah, no, we are too. How excited are you with Mario Cristobal, man? Because like he's a guy we know as a player, coach at FIU, Alabama, Oregon, and it seems like he got all the education he needed to come back and bring the U back to prominence again, man.
Yeah, it's kind of like LeBron James going back to Cleveland after he was at the Heat. You know, it's kind of like the same thing. You know, so that's a good thing. You know, he learned the experience, came back here. So yeah, we're really excited. Love Coach Cristobal. Great coach, even better person. You know, we can't wait to play for him. And we start spring ball on Monday, and we're really excited.
What's your favorite part about Cristobal?
I just like talking to him. He's a great guy to just talk to. You know, when everything needs to be serious, he gets serious though. So he is that part of him, but yeah, he's also a great guy, great person to talk to.
Were there any trepidations for you after the change and everything, and you didn't know, you knew of Mario but didn't know Mario until you kind of really met him? Were you concerned at all at any point?
I wasn't concerned at all. I was more excited than concerned. You know, to get a high caliber coach like that coming in to a program that has a lot of potential, you know, it's gonna be pretty good in the long run.
How about for you? I think all of us as football fans, we're happy for players all over the country now that you guys get the power now. You guys get to control, and you know, you get to control your likeness, which I think is incredibly important because it's yours, nobody else. You should be able to benefit from it. And for so many years we saw coaches switch teams and leave kids behind, and now that the players finally have that power, how does that feel to be able to kind of control your own destiny at times?
I mean, college football is a business. We go to class every day, do all the things that regular students do, but college football is a business, you know. So controlling that. I mean, going places with your coach. I mean, you saw Caleb Williams go to USC with Lincoln Riley. I think that's great. You know, I mean, I don't think you should be stuck at one program. You know, but yeah, I think the new rules of the transfer portal and the NIL deals is making college football a whole new, different type of era, and I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, it may drive some fans crazy because they may lose some of their favorite players, but you're also going to gain some in the process too. Like we have over the years, I mean, with Quincy Roche coming over and helping us out, and you know, Jalen Phillips comes over, helps us out, and then goes and helps out our Dolphins now, you know, because he gets drafted. So there's pluses and minuses, but I think it's all about you guys because that's what the game is all about. It's about the players, and it's been about the coaches too. So it's good to see that you guys have that control that you deserve, man. I think it's a lot of fun to watch. It really is.
No doubt. I mean, I think players have to do what's best for them, whether that's leaving,
Amen.
coming in. You know what I mean? Whatever's best for them and their family.
So what should be our expectations, Mr. Swag? What should be our expectations? Because I'm not looking at this as a rebuild. I'm looking at this as build on what you did last year.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you guys all saw like the potential we have as a team. You know, we brought in new pieces. Obviously, Coach Cristobal, all the new coaches that could take the players we have now and maximize the potential for next season. You know, so we're really excited for that. You know, we have great young talent. You know, I don't want to speak on it now, but I think next year is going to be a really exciting year, really fun year.
Tyler Van Dyke joining us. Last question for you because I know you got your business to do. While you get the power, the other thing that's changed, you get Cristobal, that's changed. But what's also changed is the University of Miami has made an outright commitment to the football program that, listen, man, I'm born and raised in this town.
Yes, sir.
This is my 32nd year doing radio in this town. I never expected the University of Miami football program to make the kind of commitment. You guys have the biggest budget in the ACC. That's not something I ever thought could ever happen. So when you walk now onto your facilities, they're better and you've got everything you need. How does that feel too?
Yeah, you could definitely notice the difference. I mean, the food we're getting now is crazy. Just the food, you know.
Lobster, sirloin steak.
Not lobster.
No, okay.
I wish, but
right.
we're getting a new locker room. It's gonna be ready for before next season or this upcoming season. They're starting that after spring ball, so we're getting that.
Any truth to the butlers and the chauffeurs?
No.
I thought John Ruiz was going to go all the way, man.
I wish, but yeah.
No, but it's got to be nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice.
It's different, yeah.
Whether you work in a business, you need resources.
Exactly.
You work in a radio station, you need resources. You work in media, you need resources. Everybody needs resources. And when you lack them, it doesn't allow you to be the best you can be. And that's what I love about the commitment they've made, man.
Yeah, they're putting the right people around us, whether it's in the training room, coaches, equipment room, anywhere in the program. They're putting the right people around us, and that's helping us maximize the potential.
Tyler, I really appreciate you taking the time, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for taking some time. Kick some ass this season.
Yes, sir.
We're going to enjoy it, man. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you guys.
You got
Thank
it.
you.
There you go. Tyler Van Dyke, man, joining us here on the program. Appreciate you, Tyler. There you go. Doing his thing.
This is the Big O Show. This is the Big O Show.